It's Tim and Tammy time. And today, we have crossed the Florida state line. We're in Graceville, Florida. We got out of Alabama and Georgia, and we are in Florida. Y'all, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and...
We love y'all. And she didn't see a sign that says we're in Florida.
There was no sign when we crossed
Just
it.
heard the voice of a
GPS.
And I thought there was a sign myself.
At the
But
next...
If God sent me, I'll go.
Y'all know this thing was not recorded. It went off on me. Okay, Pedro Martinez.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me again, where you going? You're going to Colombia.
Colombia.
You're going to fight in Colombia.
Yes, ma'am. And I don't know who, and I don't know how big or how small, but I'm going.
You're going scared, but
Yeah.
you're gonna go.
Yeah.
You know
but-
it's better to go scared.
Yeah, that's better.
It is.
Because of respect.
Yeah.
People
And you-
think it's scared. No, it's respect.
You usually
yeah.
have fought in Panama City.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't know it was off.
That's okay.
This is his gym here. This is his workout zone.
Dynamite boxing gym.
And that right there is who he beat in 2023. He beat him scared too. Showing age isn't anything but a number.
Well,
See,
there you go.
look, now get that. See, because that's when all glory go to God. Even though the ref raised my hand up, if you notice, I raised my hand up higher than him because I was hollering Yahweh.
Okay. Well, you know.
They were saying dynamite. I was saying Yahweh. They ain't know. Because that was a big old man, boy. And solid. I mean, both of us was older, but they got older fighters.
Yeah.
You know? And so I'm going to be fighting. I don't know if it's going to be an older one. Hey, and all right, baby. And or either a younger one. It don't matter to me. I've been fighting since kindergarten. I was mixed. I'm like one of the first I'm old now, but back then I was like one of the first mixed children where I grew up at. So everybody wanted to fight me.
Where'd you grow
and
up?
I beat up every bully in the city.
Where'd you grow up?
In Lakeland, Florida.
Lakeland, Florida.
Yeah, Polk County.
I don't know much about the Florida. I don't
Look,
know much
I
about
can't wait till
Florida.
I have a fight down there. The civic center gonna be packed because all of them know me. I love it. Hey, I got to go though. It's nice to meet
It was
y'all.
nice to meet you.
And
We
thank
appreciate you
thank
talking.
Thank
If you
for-
want to, oh, there was a building right here. Did you the wind? Is that what we all goshed?
No, that's that.
Oh, that step is tall. It is. Welcome, y'all. I don't know what we're being welcomed to. That looks like what they would put a movie poster in, don't it? But we ain't at no theater.
Did you film this?
No, I'm kind of trying to right now.
Okay.
I know. Watch out for the ant beds. You know you're in town when there's ant beds right in the middle of the sidewalk. This is the barber shop. Look at the barber shop pole. I should go in there and get my hair cut. Hadn't even thought about, so there's where it says Panhandle Strong. I hadn't even thought about getting my haircut before I go to Colorado. You know what? I said this on a live, but most, everybody don't watch the live, so y'all, I'm headed to Colorado Tuesday week. Because I've got to go. My little girl's having a baby girl. So I'm going to Colorado to be out there with her when all this takes place. Oh, he's tearing that building down right now as we speak. He's tearing that building down. I knew the windows was gone. Shoot, I could stand here and just watch him take the whole building down. Let me get closer. Let's go back across the street. I'm watching. I know. We're in parking places. Somebody's coming from the other direction too. I think I went through that whole town without this thing on, Tim. I don't know when it was on last. It's all right. Somebody's been out here playing like a skateboard park, you know it? Or a bicycle. I ain't gonna get close, but I'm gonna get that water tower. I'm not going to. I'm gonna get that water tower over there. Well, y'all, we're watching them take down the abandoned building that we was looking at just a little while ago. I don't think I had the camera turned on when I was looking at it. Ooh, he just come down off that pile of rubble. He's getting in a better position. All right. We're standing in the middle of these three buildings. There was three buildings here, you know that, right?
Yeah.
You can see where they, I guess they just take their stuff down as it gets. So there's three buildings here between here and the Graceville, where the living is easy, established 1902. Had the Graceville Oilers, Class D, Alabama, Florida League. What was you talking about though? It says Graceville?
There's a sign up here. I wonder what building it is.
Oh, I see. It's a public library.
Well, of course.
I don't see that. I see library as branch library.
Uh-huh.
That's an empty building, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure these two across the road are empty as well.
So this is a granite place.
Yes, it is, Mr. Granite. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty tight countertop, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, let's cross the street. I'm still impressed with the
fighter.
with the building coming down.
Oh, yeah.
No, well, yeah, the fighter too. That's pretty cool.
Oh,
Well, gee, you need a cord?
probably don't work, but
Probably don't.
You
Looks
don't
pretty.
see nothing like that
Looks pretty
usually.
chewed up. Chewed. Oh my goodness, y'all. Looks pretty chewed up. I wanted to see that Moore's Hardware and Feed. I like that sign. There's a lot of seafood places back here, y'all. I wonder why. Do you think it's because we crossed over into Florida?
that may be it.
Probably has something to do with it. Just a little bit. Woo-hoo.
An alley.
Yep. A really cool alley. I think I might love the alleys more than the fronts of the buildings. I think this is the main road over here though, ain't it?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, let me get closer. What?
How many times do you see a building that's got Rick's exhaust, bait and tackle?
Probably not a lot, looks to me. Woo, the roof of that building now is coming up. Where they taking the building down, the roof's coming up. Oh, okay. I want to see those houses on the right down there. Look at that. All in a row. Right there.
Yeah.
Get me to turn her back on.
Well, ride a little bit, then we'll turn her back on.
Okay. I like those houses. They remind me of days gone by.
Yeah.
And there's more. And we're headed toward the funeral home. At least that's what the sign said. And I don't know if these houses are lived in or abandoned or what, because you just can't tell. Right there, that way. Okie doke. Wow.
It's a Chinese restaurant.
That makes sense.
And there's your funeral home.
There's that funeral home. Ask about a $5,500 funeral. Y'all, just know. Rex Lumber. That's the lumber company that we're... Okay, now we're going to go down past the part that we didn't walk through. We just filmed a little bit from the end down here.
Circle Grill that I don't think is open anymore.
Looks like the roof might be coming down in the middle. And all these buildings down through here appear to be empty. Baptist University of Florida. Okay. The houses are starting to look a little Floridian over here.
Okay. Now you might want to turn her on.
We came in right here at the Hardee's. Okay. So Chipley's next.
Head towards Spears Avenue. Go past White Avenue and take a sharp right onto Brown Street.
She's turning us around.
So we need to be going that way.
We need to go back that way, yeah. So you can do what she says,
Right
or
here.
you know. Actually, she's frozen now. Okay, never mind. Take a right.
Yeah,
Turn right onto Brown Street.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Well, here. All right. Okay, that one's being reclaimed by nature. Love that porch. Oh, we're getting, you're hitting the...
We're right on the edge of the curve.
I know. Y'all, I like that. That's beautiful. But it is abandoned, and they got all these orange flags in front of it. I don't know why. Does that mean anything to you, Tim?
No.
They got flags on.
No, the flags usually indicate stuff underground.
Oh, okay.
So
Sidewalk.
They might be fixing to dig or something.
Sidewalk looks brand new. There's parking places. We're parked in the actual parking place right in front of the house. I don't get that part, but okay.
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 In 1,000 feet, continue straight past Piggly Wiggly onto Florida 77 South.
You're not going to turn. It's the same road. She's just telling you.
Continue straight past Piggly Wiggly onto Florida
Well,
77
there's
South.
obviously a Piggly Wiggly.
There's a
there.
Piggly Wiggly right there on the right. Graceville Bingo. Beside Piggly Wiggly, I guess. Yeah.
Campbellton.
Yeah, we're not going that way. We're headed toward Chipley.
And this is more of the town right here.
We've seen this. But
Have we?
yeah, we have.
Okay.
This is how we came in here.
Oh, okay. We just turned, didn't we?
Yeah.
Continue on Florida 77 South for 12 miles.
Okie doke. Okay. This has been our adventure in Graceville, Florida. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
We love y'all.